Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this BMW 5 Series. This is a 2015. We're just going to have a look at the location of the fuses. Now if you look at your manual, it tells us this is a touring version, by the way, so it's a state version. Now the manual shows me there are some fuses in the glove box and inside the boot on the right hand side trim panel, and these are the ones in the glove box. So I'm gonna have a look first at the ones in the glove box. So passenger side glove box is here. Now okay, so it says manual says push the little handle up and then get the cover out. So this handle up and then you get this cover out. And the fuses are all the way in there. You can just see them. And there is a relay down there as well. Okay, so let's have a look at the fuses in the back. Get that open. Okay, so once you get the hatch open, if we open this cover here, in here you will find another fuse box. It's just hiding behind this panel. And in this leaflet here we have the assignment of the fuses. So this card here shows you what the fuses might be for. It shows you as well the number of the fuse and which ampere it should be. And again, not all fuses will be in the box, in the fuse boxes. It just depends on the equipment that you have. So I think these will correspond to the fuses in the glove box area, and this corresponds to the fuses here in the luggage area. And again, we just have more fuse numbers with amperes at the back here. So that's pretty much it, really. I mean, if you were looking for a specific fuse, something like a horn or something, it shows you a little horn here. Fuse 8 and 62 will correspond to that, and then you can look where fuse 8 might be. So in this case, fuse 8, it's here, and that would be inside of the glove box, and fuse 62 is also in here. Now this might be the relay where the little horn is showing in there, and also this up here might be a relay too. That's basically it, really. That's how you can find the fuses that you're looking for. and what the fuses might be for are on this side. And so that's where the fuse box is there. And this card should technically also be there. And that's it. So I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.